Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to run Android 16 in your Windows and install the Play Store on it. So if you're just interested and want to try Android apps games here on your PC, just follow my video instruction. Open the browser, download the Android Studio. So you can download by click on it. So once you've done that, you can tick this box, then go download it and save it to your PC. Once you got the download, wait a few seconds and it's going to be downloaded. Then you can open and install the tool to your PC. So here you can see it has been downloaded. I'm just going to open a folder to install that. So double click to open the setup and then go click on next. Next again, install the setup of the Android Studio to your PC, then go click on next, click on finish. Launch the Android Studio and here you can see we got this page. What you can do, you have to click on add a new device, then you're going to create a new virtual device, and after you get the list of the phones you just want to install to your PC, you can choose any of them with its resolution, then go click on next and you can download the setup by click on finish. But we have additional setting which you can just change the RAM, processor, or whatever you want on your phone. So once I create my virtual device, I'm just going to launch it. Here you can see my Android tablet's ready. I'm just going to install the Google Play Store games and all Android apps in my PC, and it's very amazing. My tablet's ready. I'm just going to open the Play Store to install and log in to my Gmail account. So let's go ahead to do this. I opened the Play Store and I'm gonna log in my account. Sign in. Once I just sign my account, I can download any app of Android devices from this Play Store. So I'm just gonna try WhatsApp. Let me type here WhatsApp. So let me install to my Android device. I just installed to my Windows PC. And here we can see it's ready. I'm just going to click to open. And we're going to click on agree and continue. So it's going to ask me to dial my phone number. Yep, absolutely, it's working great. So this is all about how to run Android 16 to your PC. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.